Yo, what up, YouTube? Hey, it's a new day, another new live. We about to tap in, all right? We about to tap in. If you just hopping in, man, say what's up. Let me know where you tuning in from, all right? Let me know where you tuning in from. Today we gonna be talking about Liberation Day, and we got some stock market gems, all right? I'm gonna give you guys a lot of some powerful information and some powerful perspective. And this is going to help you tomorrow and moving forward in your life. All right. So tap in and say what's up. My bad. What's the dealio, y'all? What's the dealio? My bad. What's up, William? What up, Ron? JT? What's up, Shiley? Shout out to Shiley, man. Last month, she only had one red day. And on the one red day, she only lost $35. All right. Shout out to Shiley. What's up, James? How you feeling? GA, what's up, Marley? If you just hopping on, say what's up, man. Like this video for me. Do me a favor. We got a lot of gems to talk about today. All right. What's up, RJ? How you feeling, bro? How you feeling? All right. So yeah, we about to get into it. The market has been smacking people around. All right. The market has been smacking people around. All right. And this is creating a lot of fear because people are losing. And so we got to fix that. All right. So what's up, Mona? How you doing today? If you just hopping on, like this video for me. All right, let's get the likes up real quick. Oh, where you just start? No way you looked at the phone. Hold on, what? Oh, yeah, what's up, Mason? Yeah, we just getting started. I'm letting everybody tap on in first. What up, Q? Remember high school when we learned about D-Day? Nah, for real. And it's like this looming energy. You know what I'm saying? I don't like that, but we gonna make it happen. We gonna handle this the right way. All right. What's up, Maurice? What's up, Maurice? Appreciate you tapping in. All right. I make videos every single day. Every single day you're gonna see me on YouTube. Sometimes 2 times a day. That's how consistent we are. All right. What's up, Jerry? How you feeling? All right, man. So check this out. We're gonna get started. What's up, Q Tisha? All right, so check this out. First things first. The market the last 2 days has been real interesting. All right, and so I want to start off with this, right? You got trading and you got investing. All right. Trading is like a job, right? You making money. Yeah, you can make a good amount of money, but you still are doing things for the money, right? You got investing where you're trying to figure out the right places to buy certain stocks. So that way you can sit back and allow, the stocks to do the work and you can make the money as the stock goes up. All right. I never want you guys to lose sight of the end goal, okay? The end goal, if you're a trader, is to become an investor and buy shares, all right? You already know how to analyze a chart now. So when you see, stocks are at certain levels, you should be buying those stocks, all right? This is the first thing that I want to, put on you guys' radar. William says, Spy put me in the blender today. Come on, William. Let's go, William. All right. You better than that. All right. Let's approach it tomorrow with a clear mind. Right. Make sure your psychology is on point. All right. Make sure you're trading off a bigger time frame. All right. What's up, Veronica? So first things first, I want y'all to understand and remember the goal of trading is just to make a lot of money in a short period of time so you could put that into investments. All right? You want to trade to invest. Say it with me. Trade to invest. Okay? Trade to invest. All right? Now, the next thing is the goal is to win. All right? I want you guys to say it with me. Win. I am a winner. All right? The goal is to win. The goal is not to not lose. All right? So, in the chat, I want you to put, I am a winner. I want you to be reminded of what the actual goal is. Okay? The goal is to win. So, because the goal is to win, we got to have a winner's attitude, and we have to be operating out of abundance. We can't be trading out of fear. All right? We can't be trading out of fear. Now, what does trading out of fear look like? Number one is getting out of the money contracts, right? Getting out of the money contracts that's far out of the money. That's one way of operating out of fear, okay? When you're getting far out of the money contracts that are super cheap, they're not going to get you to where you go. So now this is working against you. All right? This is working against you. I want you guys to understand that you are a winner. The goal is to win. All right? The goal is to win and mitigate your losses. You are a winner. All right? So, the goal is to win. So now, let's think about this. We're going to talk about, I got 5 things I want to talk about and I want to lock in on. All right? So the first big thing is direction is more important than speed. All right? Direction is more important than speed. All right, what's up, Gerald? Direction is more important than speed. Listen to what I'm saying, okay? The last couple days, in the morning time, let's look at Monday. Stocks consolidated, right? They kind of went sideways. Today, stocks had some moves in the later part of the day, right? They were also melting up a little bit. But we don't have a clear direction in the stock market right now, right? We do not have a clear direction in the stock market right now. What is the key word that I just said? The key word that I just said is direction, right? This is what I mean when I say direction is more important than speed, all right? Now tomorrow, probably tonight, when we wake up tomorrow, we gonna know what the what's going on in the market. If I'm looking at after hours right now, things are green after hours, and things ended up green, but only by a couple cents, right? Some stocks, had a 1% day. I'm looking at my Robinhood right now. Some stocks had a 2% day. Some stocks had a 0.5% day. But between today and yesterday, it looks like stocks been going up, right? But they haven't. And so I want you guys to understand that. What's up, trees? I want you guys to understand that there's a lot of games and manipulation being played. I don't want you to be a victim of the games that are being played. All right? So you got to slow down so you can speed up. You got to slow down and go deeper in your understanding of what's going on so you can go further faster. All right? Now, why am I saying direction is more important than speed? Because right now, we don't have a clear direction in the market. So let me tell you what happens when we don't have a clear direction in the market. Stocks go up one day, they go down 2 days. They go up one day, they go down 3 days. They go up 2 days, they go down 1 day. But when you look at it, things are flat. Things are flat, right? So you get in a swing, or you get into play and you think that the rest of the week you're gonna be able to recover from this play, or you stay in it holding the bag and then it reverses on you, right? Because we don't have a clear what? Direction. And so tomorrow we are gonna see some really big moves. I don't know what the direction is gonna be, but we have to make sure that our mindset, our mental psychology is ready for the volatility that Donald J. Trump brings to the market. Because we know that's what it is. It ain't nobody else but what they call him, the orange man, right? Donald Trump is bringing volatility to the market tomorrow. Now, you either gonna win big tomorrow or you're gonna lose big tomorrow. And what's gonna dictate if you win big or if you lose big is gonna be, are you patient enough and do you have your mental psychology intact? If you have your mental psychology intact, you're gonna make some bread tomorrow. If you are allowing the market and your emotions to run you, you're gonna lose some money tomorrow. It's only one of two ways this can go, or three ways, and that's not trade, and you're not gonna make or lose money. That's also a win. But a lot of people over the past 2 days have literally lost thousands of dollars, all because they don't understand that right now the market has no direction. So they think that these plays are going up, 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 and then the stock gaps down at the overnight. And because they stayed in the play because they was up, 15%, they thinking that they're going to get 30, 40%, and then they wake up and now they down 15%. Right? This is what's going on right here. Your mental psychology has to be intact. So let me show you why everything has been kind of chopping around and consolidating. We're about to get into that. What time is Trump going to unleash the tariffs? Before market open, we gonna know. I don't know the exact time. That's the game, and that's one thing. That's the games he plays, right? He plays games. Oh, 4 p.m. Oh, he doing it 4 p.m. after market, I guess. I thought it was after market today going in, but it's 4 p.m. after market. So we don't know. We may see a rally tomorrow, right, during the day, and then we might start to see crazy sell. We don't know. And this is what I'm talking about. Your mental psychology got to be ready for whatever. All right? So let me show you and tell you and help you understand why things have been going, sideways. All right? So let's check this out. We got something called volume. Okay? Volume. Now, what does this do? This is how you win, and this is how you not lose, but this is more importantly how you win. I want to focus on winning. Okay? Be sure to like this video. All right? Be sure to like this video. So, if you want to win tomorrow, the next day in trading, I want you to understand liquidity and volume, okay? So, if you see a stock and you want to trade this stock, right? I want you to understand how to look at the spreads, okay? Let's go to the spreads. The spreads are right here. Let me give you guys an example. All right? Let me give you all an example because this is not a game. All right? This is not a game. So I'm going to my watch list real quick, right? All right, so let's say I want to trade. It don't matter what the stock is. I want to give you a good example. Let's say I want to trade Spotify. All right? Let's just say I want to trade Spotify. I'm in my Webull, right? So I go to options and I go to a strike price. Right here it say it say limit price is 14.65, right? Okay. So now watch this. I click on the limit price. The bid is 13.35. The ask price is 14.65. Okay? So that's $1.30 difference. Let me break this down for you guys so that we understand what's really going on here, okay? So Spotify, their bid price on options is $13.35. Their ask price is $14.65. Okay? Now, what does that mean, Isaiah? What that means is, let me go to their ticker symbol on TradingView. Let me go to their ticker symbol. Okay? Now, here we go. Now, all right, cool. So now we go to their ticker symbol. And Maurice said, how do I subscribe to your channel? Hey, just click subscribe. Go to the channel and click on subscribe. Let me show y'all something. So now we go on Spotify and we go to right here, right? And let's look at the volume. So their average volume over the past 30 days is 2.63 million, right? Now they're at 1.6 million. So they're trading at like 50% less than the average volume, right? Let's look at another stock. Let's look at Lulu. Let's look at Lulu. Average. Their volume was up today, actually. Let's see HIMS. Their volume. So volume started to come in today. If we could look at yesterday, I wish I could show y'all yesterday. Yesterday, volume was like less than 50% of the average volume. All the spreads was wide. Spotify is notoriously wide. But what this means is, if I get in at the bid price, that's $13.35, $1,300, right? If I get in at the ask price, that's $14.65, right? Now, here's the thing. If volume drops or if volume is low, the spreads are going to widen, right? So if you wake up tomorrow and you see that volume is lower than half, right? What that means is the spreads are going to be wider and it's going to be a little bit harder to make money because the spreads is going to be so wide. So if you have wide spreads, low volume, what that means is stocks aren't going to be moving as fast and their moves aren't going to be as much. If the moves aren't going to be as much, right, or as big, and the volume is lower and the spreads are wider, you could potentially get into play and not really make any money unless the stock makes a move. You get what I'm saying? So we got to really understand how this all works together. It's not just about what strike price do I get. No, you want to get a stock that has a good, spread from the bid to the ask. If you see the bid, if you see a wide spread, I want you to take a pause. And I want you to really ask yourself, can this stock really make a move? Because if it doesn't make a move, or if it reverses on me, I could be down more than what I think I could be down. You see what I'm saying? This is real talk. What's up, Travis? Maurice, how do you join a group? I'm gonna drop the link in here real quick for y'all. It's the Prosperity Collective right here. I'm gonna drop this link right here for you. All right. If you want to join the Discord, it's only $40 a month. All right. Tap in and we trade in every single day. All right. So let's get back to the regularly scheduled program, right? So this stuff is really important. This is how you learn how to professionally trade. All right. This is how you learn how to professionally trade. I'm not here to teach you how to get into a contract. I'm here to help you become a professional at the game. I'm here to help you understand all the nuances and the reasons why people lose money. Just because you see a stock going up, don't mean you need to get into that play. Because if you don't understand the liquidity, let me tell you what's going to happen. You're going to get into play. I've done this plenty of times in the beginning days. I get into a play, it's going up. As it's going up, I'm down. And I'm like, why am I down? Don't even know why. I didn't even realize what the spread was. Or I get into play, it's going up, it comes down, it goes up a little bit, it shows I'm up $200, I get out and I'm down $80. Why did this happen? I'm mad, frustrated. The reason is because volume is low on that stock and the spreads are wide. So you got low volume and wide spreads. That's a recipe for disaster. That's a recipe for disaster. All right? Marie said it's $10 to $15 a good spread. Absolutely not. All right? So let me show you guys a good spread, a decent spread. So that's why you want to know some stocks are better to day trade for a couple hours. Some stocks are better to swing trade. The wider the spread, the more likely I'm not going to scalp it or day trade it. All right? Because if the stock makes a move, it needs to make a decent size move for me to be in a profit and comfortably get out. Right? So that's how I see it. And this stuff is very important. This is how you're going to win tomorrow and on Thursday and on Friday and next week and next month. You know what I'm saying? This is how you're going to win. I always say the more you study, the less you worry. This stuff is important. All right? So when we're looking at the volume, what would be considered low volume? Let's go look at some examples real quick. All right, so today, so right now, so yeah, I wish y'all would have saw this stuff yesterday on Monday. So like average volume is 67 million. Today it was at 54 million. Yesterday on Monday, the volume was at like 15 million. And the average is 67 million, right? Apple, average is 50 million, volume is 36 million. That's a little above 50%, but that's kind of low still, right? I want my volume to be around the average that is trades. Otherwise, it's going to be moving a little bit funny, right? Average is 8 million. It's at 6.5 million. Today is a lot better than what yesterday was. Look at this one. Average volume is, okay, so this is a good one. Average volume is 114 million. The current volume was 78 million. All right. This is the biggest, but when we look at it on percentages, it's over 50% still, right? This morning, QCOM, I was going to trade them, right? Their average was 7 million. They was at like 200,000. So I called it off. I said, I'm not trading this stock because the volume is so low. And the spreads was like $2, right? Look at Lowe's. I was going to trade them today. This morning, their volume was like 300, 400,000. And their average is 3 million. I'm not going to trade that, right? This the stuff that they don't tell you. I'm giving you $1 million worth of game, real talk right here. These are very important, critical pieces of information that will help you become successful and profitable. And profitable. All right? Legit. You only see the average volume on your chart. So, let's see. Hold on. So, I don't know why you don't see both of the volume. Y'all see mine, right? So, you see right here, average volume, and then right here. So, I would probably go to settings and then go to, I don't know. You could do, let me see bid and ask. Go down here. Seasonal. Yeah, I don't know why yours doesn't show the right here. I'll probably try to like refresh it or something. But yeah. But yeah, so this stuff is important. If you are not in a Discord, I highly recommend you to join the Discord, because all these little small things, everybody already, they know about this stuff. They heard me talking about volume today while we was trading, right? So I want you guys to understand that. That's like a very, very, very critical piece of information. Everybody like, oh, I'm getting this strike price. But it's like, why? Why are you getting a strike price? See, I'm all about helping you understand why I'm doing something or why I'm saying something, because I'm a firm believer that everything a person says or does should have a reason behind it. If they can't explain the reason behind it, it's not valid. Right? Especially in the terms of, teaching people and sharing information with them. I'm not just talking. I have a valid reason why everything. And if you ever question, I'll be able to tell you exactly why I said something, because it's backed off of certain type of information, understanding, and things that I know based off of what I learned and the things that I've experienced. I've been cooked because I got into stocks that had wide spreads. I got in Spotify before on a day trade. I got into Spotify on a day trade and I lost money. The stock was going up and I was losing money. I've been in Lockheed Martin before and they had some wide spreads. And I was up $170 and I got out and then I was down $50. Thought I executed the trade right. I didn't. Simply because I didn't understand what I was doing. I got in Carvana before and I got in and I immediately was down negative $200. And I'm like, why is this happening? And I'm by myself, right? I couldn't ask nobody. I had to figure it out. So I'm in a play. The second I get in, I'm down 15%. I don't know why. Now I'm hoping that it goes up. And even if it does go up, I'm mad because I'm probably at break even simply because I didn't understand the spreads. You see what I'm saying? Y'all see what I'm saying? This is real life. This isn't just stuff we're talking about. You will get cooked just getting anything. Right? And so, right, Shali, right? So that's my girl, right? She from New York. She always talk about don't be fiending, right? That's one of her favorite words. She'd be like, "Ooh, you fiending." A lot of people lose money in the market because they be fiending. They be fiending to get into play immediately. They be like, "Ooh, what's the strike price? Let me get in." Ooh. They be fiending, right? But what if you just took a second to slow down? You will make more money in the stock market when you learn how to slow down. You will literally make more money in the stock market when you learn how to slow down. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Stop fiending to get into play. I always say, don't be in a rush to lose money. People be so in a rush to get into play, and because they rushed, they missed out on the critical information, and then they ended up losing money. So essentially, they was in a rush to lose money. Don't be in a rush just to lose money that you don't even know you're about to lose. Don't be in a rush to lose money that you don't even know you're going to lose. Man, I'm telling you, this market will eat your money and will not apologize for it if you don't understand how to play the game. If you don't understand how to play this game, it's about to eat you alive. And I want you to win, right? I want you to win. I want you to focus on winning. Don't focus on not losing. I want you to focus on winning. I want you to focus on winning, all right? I got some more stuff I want to talk about, but I wanted to focus on this whole volume thing and help you understand how it comes together. All right? Lower volume, wider spreads. Wider spreads, smaller moves, slower moves. Slower, smaller moves with wider spreads, less profit. All right? This is a matrix, and I'm decoding the matrix, and I'm speaking the language with you. Right? I'm decoding the matrix for you, and I'm handing it to you legit on a silver platter, if we being honest. All right? Braille said every small piece of new information is crucial to the bigger picture. Absolutely. Because here's the key, right? All these small things, they're going to help you, right? They're going to help you make more money for the next 5, 10, 15, 20 years that you're in the stock market. That's what I want you to understand. I want you to understand that the information that you're learning right now, you're going to be able to teach your family, right? You're going to be able to teach your kids. My little sister just asked me to put her on. I can do that because I know the information, right? That's what this is about. So all this little stuff that you're learning right now, you're going to be able to change the trajectory of somebody else's life and pay it forward in the future. And you gonna be rich. I ain't even worried about you not being rich. If you take time to learn and commit yourself to the process, you will get rich. We ain't worried about that. What I want you to focus on is the execution. All right? Maria said that was me yesterday being impatient. Yeah, impatient, it will kill you. I would rather be overly patient than underly impatient. Impatience will kill you in the market. All right? It's like putting pieces to puzzle together. You got to have all the pieces together to make it pop. Every piece counts. Don't ever think that you can skimp out on one piece of the puzzle. Please. Don't ever think you can skimp out on one piece of the puzzle. If you think you're about to get over on the market and you skipped out on something, the market is going to make you pay. I promise you. All right? AKA the blender. Right. This info is worth millions. I'm telling you. This info is literally, I'm telling you, this stuff is worth legit millions. All right? Marie said, bro, you helped me tremendously. God stumbled across. I appreciate it. All right. Real talk. Don't become a what? A smoothie. For real. Right? I want to help you guys win. I want whoever watching this. I don't know every person that watches this, but what I do know is people is watching it. All right. And I'm trying to really help you understand because this YouTube channel was what I wish I had when I was learning. Right? I would see random videos and stuff, and all people would do is show me that they made the money, but they ain't break down what they meant. You see what I'm saying? They wasn't breaking down this stuff. I had to lose money to learn this stuff, which means that I had to pay. So my tuition to learn how to trade was over $10,000. And that's facts, right? But here's something that I learned before in life, right? Somebody told me this a while ago. They said, sometimes in life, you got to empty out your bank account to fill up your mind so that one day you can empty out your mind to fill out your bank account. That's how the game go. Everything in this world has a cost. Everything in this world has a cost. Right? Real talk. Everything has a cost. Right? So I want to make sure that I'm taking my time delivering this information to you. I want to make sure I'm taking my time to deliver this information to you. Right. Right. It's all a game, right? Give them a little bit so that they could come and pay me $5,000, right? But I'm a firm believer of I will give you the game, and I'm so confident in what I'm giving you. You either gonna come rock with me or you not. But if you got some game from me and you went and made 20,000, I don't care. I don't care. Because I'm going to be blessed regardless, all right? I truly do believe in abundance. That's why I give, all right? So, volume spreads, all right? Don't trade a stock that has wide spreads, all right? Don't trade a stock that has wide spreads. Volume and spreads. Make sure you remember that. Make sure you remember that, okay? What'd she say? That was so profound. Yeah. No, real talk. Real talk, okay? So the next thing that I want to talk about is okay, right here, right? Increased volatility equals bigger moves equals lower risk. Okay? So let me break this down for you guys. So we're gonna have some big moves in the market. Tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, right? Whatever it is. The best part about trading is it doesn't matter if the stock goes up or if the stock goes down, you can make money. But you need to know what direction it's going in. Okay? So increased volatility equals bigger moves equals lower risk. So now let me break this down for you. If we see big moves in the market and we know and understand what our levels are, our support and our resistance, and we know a big move is coming because things have been choppy for the past couple days, then we know we could risk a lower amount and still make big money. Are you guys understanding what I'm saying here? If you understand what I'm saying, then let me know in the comments. Increased volatility equals bigger moves. Bigger moves equals lower risk. Right? You can make big money without risking a lot of money with the right move. See, we be thinking that we gotta have, what do they preach? Get a funded account, $100,000, or get a margin account, right? But it's like you could literally. I want to give a good example. Something that stuck out to me last week, right? Last week, I called a play. It was Apple. Qtisha, she got in. She got one contract. She held on to it for about 3 hours, 4 hours, and she made 130%, right? One contract, she made $170. All right? 134%, 100 and whatever, 170%, whatever. Now let me break this down for you. That was like a $3 move on Apple. Let me go to the charts and see what day that was. That was last week. I think it was on Thursday. To the 15-minute. Was it Thursday? I think it was on Thursday. Yeah. I believe it was Thursday. So this was on Thursday, right? So last Thursday, yep. So let me break this down for y'all, okay? This is what I'm talking about. Yeah, hit the like button, y'all. Hit the like button. All right? I'm calling plays in a Discord. All right? If you want to trade with us, all you got to do is join the Discord, all right? It's $40 a month. You'll make that tomorrow. If you already got money in your brokerage account and everything, you'll make that tomorrow. So check this out. So this is what I'm talking about. I'm gonna share it with you. So this is last Thursday, right? So I remember this play. We entered in about right here. All right. So we entered in about right here. All right. All right, cool. We entered in right here. I got out like right here, right? Right before it hit this level. And it was like stuttering. On the 30-minute, it looks like it was kind of going up a little bit more, but on the 15-minute, right here, it came down here, and then I had got out right there, right? But as you can see, it was a little bit of a battle, but it ended up going up, right? So we go on the 30-minute, back to Thursday, Tuesday, go back to Thursday. All right, boom, right? So I got in right here. Now, Qtisha, she exited somewhere around here, right? She exited somewhere around here. I don't know exactly where her exit was, but I know she got 130-something%, right? So I know that she basically held it until it got to the top. Now, the stock price the entry was 222, okay? So we're going to put 222, right? 222, all right? And then the stock price came up to 224.67. So we're going to put 224, okay? All right, now, that is $2. That's less, that's about $1.90, all right? Because I'm saying we entered in right here, that's 222.04. Okay, so a little bit over $2. So $2 and like what, 60 cents. So this was a, move equals 135% ROI. All right. I got to break this down for y'all like this so you can understand what I'm saying. Okay. So she made $100 and something, like $170 in it's 30 minutes. So 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. So in 4 hours, she made 135% return on her money, right? And she let the stock ride up for $2.60, right? You guys see what I'm saying here? So when we have an increased volatility, you don't need to risk a whole bunch. You just got to understand where the stock is going. You just got to understand where the stock is going. This is real life. That's why I'm taking my time with this, because some people don't really understand the power of what I'm saying, and some people do. But let me give you this game right here, okay? Let me give you this game right here. The less money you invest, the more patience you need. The more money you invest, the less patience you have. I'm going to just sit that right there. The less money you invest with, the more patience you need. The more money you invest, the less patience you have. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. So this is what I'm saying when I'm like, increased volatility equals bigger moves. Bigger moves equals less risk. So if you have less risk, but a bigger move, you can go make that 80, 90, 100%. So think about this. You can invest, so think about it. On that play, she made $170, right? Some people take 2 trades and make $170 for the day, right? But if you just was patient, you could make your money off of 1 trade and risk less. So look. So now you could go from having to get 5 contracts, you could get 1 contract that's in the money, a little bit more expensive, and you could go make your money. You just got to be patient, and you got to understand support and resistance, and you got to understand volume and all the other stuff that I'm talking about. Do y'all see what I'm saying here? Do y'all see what I'm saying here now? Is it all coming together yet? Is it all coming together? Is it all coming together? I'm telling you, this live right here and this YouTube channel, it literally can change your life. And I'm not just saying that, I mean that. This joint can change your life. But you got to understand what I'm saying, and you got to be willing to run the plays. All right? So tomorrow, we got increased volatility over really the rest of the week. increased volatility. We got bigger moves coming because a lot of things been consolidating. And then we got less risk. Right? Veronica, the skill of trading may not be a lot of people's initial intent. Making money is. This is true. And that's why a lot of times people quit so fast. Because if you only want to make money, you're not going to value learning the skill set. If you only want to make money, you're not going to value learning the skill set. So when it gets hard or when you got to learn how to read the charts, you're going to be like, man, I don't want to do this. Right? And then you're going to quit. So that's why I always say focus on execution and focus on the process, because that right there will really ensure that you stay locked in enough and long enough to really be successful in the game. Joe said starting to come together for sure. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. If you're on this live and you haven't said anything, I want you to drop in the comments where you tuning in from, all right? Don't be no stranger. We don't bite. Feel me? And be sure to like this video. Let's get this video to 50 likes. All right, let's get this video to 50 likes. All right? You could literally take this, what I'm saying, and go apply it, and you could go make you some money. That's how powerful this is. I'm not asking you for a dime, right? That's how powerful this information is. Making money is the easy part only once you've got the knowledge. See what I'm saying? Making money is easy when you know how to make the money. Until you learn how to play the game, you're going to lose at the game. Right? If I get a video game and I don't know how to play the game, I'm going to lose. But once I learn the rules to the game and I know how to play the game, that's when I'm going to start winning. Right? Real talk. Yeah, I got caught up, was doing so good, got lazy in my studying. Yeah, don't get lazy. The stock market is not something you want to get lazy in, all right? I want you to lock in. Real talk. And something else I want to say. You might laugh, but my name is spelled Isiah, okay? So if y'all email me, do not spell my name Isaiah. I want you to look at YouTube and look how to spell my name. All right? If y'all searching for me on YouTube, I want you to type in Isiah. My name only got one A. All right? I wanted to say that. I'm going to start saying that in my videos because people be spelling my name wrong. They've been doing it all my life. Isiah. All right? It's not like in the Bible. One A, not two. All right? Appreciate you, E. Pepe. JT said, I'm learning to trade to have the confidence that I have the knowledge to make money whenever, as long as the market is open. No, absolutely. That's the key right there. That's the key. That confidence. Ed said, fact, there was a lot of small traders before the crash almost disappeared because they refused to learn how to read the charts. Yeah. I remember when, man, we talking 5 years ago. I was like, man, them charts is intimidating, man. I'll learn that later on. I said, I'll learn that later on when I get some money. I should have been like, I'm going to learn that right now so I can get some money. Right? So, yeah, what's up, JB? From Delaware? Okay, tapping in. Right, Isaiah. Isiah, y'all. All right. That's one of my biggest pet peeves is when people email me and they spell my name wrong. How you put my name in, how you email me and then you spelt my name wrong. Come on now. Cause look, I be looking at my YouTube analytics. People are literally typing in ISAIAH when my YouTube name says ISIAH. Come on now. All right. So every video I'm about to start addressing that because it's crazy. I knew something was off because I wrote your name in my notebook. And I was like, see? Everybody will always, look, this is what they do. My whole life. They'd be like, how do you spell your name? I'd be like, ISIAH. They'd be like, are you sure? Like, bro, what do you mean, are you sure? So you think my mom accidentally named me this and my whole life, my name been a mistake? Come on now. Yes, I'm sure. I know how to spell my name. Right? How do you pronounce it? It's Isaiah. Using a video game analogy, what similarities do you see? What do you mean exactly, Denisha, in regards to what similarities? Like, what similarities do I see in the market and in video games? I just want to make sure I'm clear. Exactly. Now, them emails ain't going to get delivered. See, Maria? She said it's unusual. Nah, my mom my mom knew I was different. All right, so we had to separate me from all the Isaiahs that was going to be in this world. You know what I mean? So yeah, are you sure? Yeah, it's crazy to me. It'd be like that don't make no sense. But make sure y'all spell my name right. All right, do me that favor, please. That's one thing I ask. Tuning in from DC. I love this volatility. I've been trading for 4 years. Yeah, the volatility is crazy. Volatility is crazy right now. But the heat about to get turned up. All right? The heat is about to get turned up. It's about to go crazy. All right? So, video games, right? Video games. So, I want you guys to think about this. What's your real name, Fast Life? What's your real name? So video games, right? In trading, I'm not even a gamer. When I was a kid, I had friends. They had video games, but I never really had video games at the house because my mom was always like, that stuff poisons your brain and blah, 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 right? So I didn't have video games, but my friends did. And when we would go over there, one thing that sticks out. Let's say you playing a video game that has levels, right? Number one, levels. You cannot get to the next level without breaking through the first level, support and resistance. You can't get to the next resistance level without breaking through the first resistance, right? If you fail, you're gonna start back at the beginning of the first level, right? So that's the first video game analogy. If you don't get past the end of the level, you're gonna come back down to start the level over, which is gonna be support, all right? The next thing is, basically, if you have to try the level and you fail, you're gonna keep what? Retesting. You gotta keep retesting the level until you break through. And then when you beat the boss or you get past the level and you go to the next level, if you die, then you gonna come back to the beginning of the level that you just beat. So now that's gonna be your new support. If we're thinking about video games, right? Another one is a lot of video games, you have to maybe get like Crash Bandicoot. You have to get a whole bunch of apples, right? Crash Bandicoot, it used to be one of my favorite video games, right? You die, you got a life, right? But you only get X amount of lives. The lives that you get is predicated on how many apples you get or whatever, right? Now, your life that you get is equivalent to the dollars that you have in trading. So you only get X amount of dollars, right? And you only get X amount of dollars. Now, in order to get more lives or more dollars, you have to collect more of the thing that charges you up. In Crash Bandicoot, it was like apples. 100 apples gets you a life, right? With trading, it's points, which is dollars, right? So the more points you get, the more points you have, and that's the more life you have, right? So that's another video game analogy that I would say. All right? Pattern recognition is another thing. If let's say you're trying to get over a bridge, right? And there's a thing that's swinging to get over the bridge. You got to be able to time how to jump onto the swinging thing to get onto the bridge. It may take you 3 times to die. It may take you 3 lives and before you can get on the jumping thing that's swinging to time it right to get onto the bridge. So being able to recognize your timing and how the patterns are in the video game is the same thing with trading. All right. May say, yeah, I wonder how long the market will be like this. Maybe whole Trump term. Yep. Yeah. I mean, we gonna see. We definitely gonna see what happens. Clay Bone. Okay. I see why you say fast life. For real. Or Clay. I for sure get that. Travis said I couldn't ask for a better time to learn how to trade. We've been through this. Craziness has taught me more than I could ever ask for. First, you to learn and move on. No, absolutely. Absolutely, bro. Like, this is a great time to learn, despite everything that's going on. You know what I mean? Like, don't even trip, because when the market is just kind of like going up, it's going to be crazy money being made. I'm telling you that right now. Like this video too. We got 8 more likes to go. If you're watching this video and you got some value from it and you have not liked this video, like this video for me, all right? Let's get this video to 50 likes. All right. Trading in the stock market and playing video games both require strategy, adaptability, pattern recognition. So we're seeing if you notice anything in the market. Okay. Yep. Absolutely. Heck of an analogy. Good way to break it down. That was good, Denisha. Yep. This is the best environment to learn through. Yeah. No, I agree. Because this right here, this makes you a beast. You know what I'm saying? This right here, it makes you a beast. So yeah, y'all. All right. Let's see, analyze the stocks. Buy the rumors, sell the news. Okay. So another thing that could happen, and this is what I'm going to leave y'all with, right? Another thing that could happen is there might be rumors, right? You might hear rumors, and then people start buying calls, right? Buying calls. And then the news comes out, and then the real thing that happened is what the news said, not what the rumor said. Right? We call that buy the rumor, sell the news. So if you're hearing anything, if you're hearing speculations, don't buy the speculations of what everybody is talking about. Because what could happen is that could be a setup of buying the rumor and selling the news. Right? Never buy the speculation of the masses, or never buy the masses' speculation. Wait to see what happens and ride the momentum in the direction after we know what's going on. All right? Do not be a person that is like, I'm going to just get in a call because I think it's going to happen. Don't do that. All right? Do not do that. Do not buy speculation. Okay? I can't say it enough. Don't buy speculation. Because if you buy speculation and get in a call, right? What's going to happen is you're going to get in a call off of speculation. The news is going to come out and everything going to be dropping. And then you're going to be down on your plays by 60, 80% within 20 minutes. And then you're going to be mad. But you can't be mad at nobody but you. You feel me? Can't be mad at nobody but you. So do not buy the speculation. All right? Yeah, do your own research. For sure. Yeah, FOMC. Exactly. Right? Like, I've done that before, y'all. I've done that before. Right? Playing earnings. Oh, I think it's going to go up. So, I don't really think that they're a good company. I remember they had a article last week and it wasn't good. So let me get in some puts. Earnings is tomorrow. I wake up, I'm down $200. I'm like, God damn it. You know what I'm saying? I heard that this one stock is about to beat earnings. So let me go get in on a call. Yeah, right before market close, I'm going to get in on a call, right? I get in on a call. Next day, I'm down. God damn it, right? So don't do that. Do not buy speculation. All right? What's up, Popilla? How you feeling? You from Milwaukee. That's what's up. All right? Don't buy speculation, guys. All right? Don't buy the rumor. All right? Sell the news, but do not buy the rumor. When you hear people talking, oh, this is going to happen. Ooh. Man, go do your research. Go study your charts. You know what I'm saying? Go pay attention. Straight up. But do not buy that rumor because you're going to get flipped every single time. All right? I mean that. I mean that. Guilty. Yeah. Hey, ain't nobody perfect. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody perfect. I've been there too. All right? May said, thanks for the lessons. We about to dominate this month. Yeah. This month is the one. This month we about to turn up. All right? We about to turn up. So if you're not in the Discord, I highly recommend you join the Discord. All right? Like this video. All right? Let's get this video to 50 likes. Okay? We dropped some $1 million information, y'all. All right? It's going to look, and I'm gonna say this. It's going to come a point in time where I'm not going live 3 days a week. I want y'all to understand that. It's going to come a point in time where I'm not going live 3 days a week. All right? So be sure while I'm doing this 3 days a week, I want you to understand videos every day, 3 days a week going live. That's a lot. All right? That's a lot of energy. I'm not going to be doing this, every day for years. All right? So enjoy me while I'm here on these lives. All right? So be sure to like this video. All right? Like this video. I would sincerely appreciate that. And yeah, I thought about that. Glad I found the collective early. Yeah, I'm telling you, we 2 months in to the Prosperity Collective Discord. It's going to get bigger. All right. So everybody that's in right now, they getting locked in early. By the end of the year, we're gonna have 6-figure earners in there. We're gonna have people having their first $10,000 months. We're gonna have people buying houses. We're gonna have people buying the car that they wanted, that they needed. It's gonna be lives getting changed in there. This ain't about just money. This is about helping people's lives get changed. You get what I'm saying? Real talk. All right? This is legit life-changing information. And people are learning the skill set now, and their life is getting changed, and they don't even really understand how much their life is changing yet. But come December, we gonna have so many lives that's being changed, and they gonna have physical results. Debt paid off, right? Collectively changed my life. Hey, Pope Pillar, shout out to that, man. Real talk, shout out to that. Like, I'm grateful for that. And the cold part about it is, I don't even know how people's lives is getting changed, right? But what I do know is it's changing people's lives, because people gonna share their story whenever they want to share it. That's what I do know. I don't be hounding nobody. Hey, what happened with your life yet? Did you change your life yet? You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm just being a vessel. But people are executing on this. So I really want you to understand, like, stop just watching. Join the Discord, because by December, your life could be completely different. Your life could be completely different. Like, truly. You know what I'm saying? Like, truly. It's not a game. People quitting their jobs. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's so much stuff happening behind the scenes. Lives are being changed off of $40 a month. So you mean to tell me in 3 months you could spend $120 and you could go make $10,000? That's the best investment ever. You know what I'm saying? It's people in this chat right now having their first $300, $400, $500 days. Right here in the comments. You know what I'm saying? Clay said it's definitely changed your mind. Denisha said me. Ed, real talk. Brielle, so it's written. Quinn said it's changed your mind for sure. Mason hyped. You get me hyped up. Hey man, I'm just speaking absolute facts. This is happening. Hey, man, Qtisha, I gotta take a photo of that, man, because you don't even understand. That right there, that's love right there. I felt that one in my heart. You know what I mean? Because this is a real journey. You know what I'm saying? Like, really trying to help people change their life. I think about everybody in Discord all the time. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to continue to figure out ways to, keep, taking life to the next level, so I could continue to help people and show them the better way, and all these small things. You know what I mean? So I appreciate that, for real. Like, for real, for real. But I want y'all to understand that people's lives are changing, have already been changed, and it ain't even been a year. When we have when we have a year in to the Prosperity Collective and its YouTube, y'all gonna see. If you ain't joining yet, you gonna see. Right? I started this YouTube channel in August. On my birthday was my first video. August 7th. That's when I started this this channel. It ain't even been a year on YouTube yet. I want you guys to understand, a year from now, a lot of y'all that aren't really, joining and really like getting involved, you're going to wish you did earlier. I promise you. Because the way trading works is, and life is, the longer you wait, the more expensive the lesson becomes. You're going to wish you had started back in February when all these prices was super low. You're going to wish you didn't procrastinate. You know what I'm saying? This go deep. This go deep right here. Joe said, I'm a believer. That's why I'm locked in. I see the power in the game. Just got to be careful and patient. That's it. Straight up. QT said the queen is usually in the background, but she helped me as well. Hey, you know what I've learned? People that have results and that are doers, they help change lives so much. You ain't got to talk a lot to change people's lives. You know what I'm saying? So absolutely. Mason said, yeah, collective made me take trading seriously and not just gambling. This is the way to freedom. I'm telling y'all, this is the way to freedom. I was knocking on doors, selling solar, making 15, 20K a month. My biggest month was 39,000 in cash. And I walked away from it when I found trading and when I took it serious. And when I started to understand how to do this. Like, this stuff is real, the real freedom. We in Colombia right now. Charlie in the room right now, chilling, supporting the YouTube video. Like, this is deeper than just money. This ain't just money. It's not about money. This is about a different reality that you could experience for the rest of your existence on this earth. Our conversation is where we want to go to next. That's the real conversation. You know what I'm saying? Isaiah and I have so many conversations just speaking life in the Discord members. Nah, for real. We really do. We really do. We love us some Q-Tisha. So just know we send like your way. Nah, for real. Like, hey, real talk. Like, real talk. You know what I mean? So I want y'all to understand, man, like, if you know somebody, if you already subscribed, man, share this with somebody you know. Like, share this channel with somebody you know, because I'm being so selfless with the information. I'm not just giving you crumbs, right? I'm not just giving you crumbs. I'm choosing and electing to just share, right? I'm at a place right now where I can just give, right? I can go live 3 times a week, right? But I'm telling y'all, it's going to be a point in time where you're going to be coming back to these old lives and be like, damn, I wish he went live 3 times a week like he used to. You know? I'm telling you. So it's just like, enjoy this while I'm here. All right? And lock in. Come get serious about investing. Come get serious about learning how to trade. Like, come get serious. Come lock in with us. We're going to help you. We're going to teach you. We're going to show you the way, and it's going to be up to you to execute every single day. I can't execute for you, but I can show you the way. You know what I'm saying? Real talk. I'm trying to escape the corporate plantation. I hope this could help. Man, you don't have to hope. It will. Right? You just got to execute. That's all you got to do, and trust in yourself and trust in the Most High. You got this. You ain't got to hope. Take your power back. You got this. Take your power back. You know what I'm saying? I share it to a few people each time I catch a live. I appreciate that, Joe. You already saved me. Now you ain't got to rely on hope. Exactly. Exactly. Getting me emotional over here. It really is. It is. It is. It's so much deeper than trading. It's so much deeper than trading. Brielle said, I never considered this. My mom sent me your channel. Wow. She just had got back into stock investing a couple months ago. I saw your video she sent, and it just pulled me to start a new journey with this. Man, that is so amazing. Your mom sent you this. Your mom wants you to win. She wants you to win. And that's what I'm saying. You never know who watching. I don't know who be watching these videos. I don't know who about to gravitate towards, but that's deep. That's why I say this is bigger. This is bigger. Family members helping family members. I honestly feel like if it was anyone else's channel she would have sent, I might not be doing options trading right now. And that speaks volumes too. That speaks volumes too. I'm just a regular dude. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not regular, but I'm a regular guy, if you get what I'm saying, right? And it's just like, I didn't think I could do this. This was intimidating to me. Shiley last year was saying that her brain don't operate like this and she can't learn this. Like, but we both hunkered in, locked in, and figured it out. Anybody can do this, but not everybody will. Anybody can do this, but not everybody will. Anybody can do this, but not everybody will. I'm telling y'all, man. I'm telling y'all. This is real, real, real life. All these videos I'm dropping, You could really go make M's with all this information. For real. Denisha said, I pray for genuine help in trading that didn't cost a house payment. I personally went on a fast. Then the day after the fast, I kept thinking of joining and did. Life changing. Going on 4 weeks. It's been 4 weeks. We ain't even at 6 months yet. Imagine where we at in 6 months. I'm telling you. Key said, the prophet Isaiah. Hey, I'm just trying to live up to the meaning of my name. You know what I mean? That's what my name stands for. That's what it means. That's how I look at it, right? Isaiah in the Bible, he would go around in the villages and he would be telling people what's about to happen, right? Trying to tell people like where to go, what village to go, all this stuff. I feel like I'm doing the same thing in this lane and this world right here, right? I know that what my name means. I'm trying to live out the meaning of my name. That's why I'm coming every single day on YouTube, because I'm trying to help people be free. I'm trying to help y'all get away from these corporate antics, all the games, the corporate slavery, the politics, all of that stuff. It's time to go experience freedom. You know what I'm saying? This is real life. This is real life. Just like people say, God sent them to a church. God sent me here. Yeah, I pray for specific things. And boom, right? And I pray for things too. And that's why I'm just being that vessel. This is a modern day underground railroad to financial freedom. That's real. That's what trading is. I'm like, hey, come on, y'all. Come on, y'all. Let's go escape. And some people ain't gonna want to, and some people gonna escape, but we gonna get there. We gonna get there. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have to go to Colombia myself in 6 months. Hey, Mason, I'm telling you, it's a beautiful place. It's a great experience. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's a great experience for real. So, yeah, faith without work, definitely. We gotta be locked in, y'all. All right? Gotta make sure we locked in. So let's make sure we doing what we need to do and we really learn this stuff. Isaiah can attest, I prayed for a particular kind of tribe. Yep. Like-minded. And then he created the Discord, and I thanked him for creating a space that literally answered my prayers. Nah, she did. Because when you growing, right, a lot of times the people from your past may be around, but you may not be feeling connected to them. You know what I'm saying? And it's like, we all want to feel connected to people. But a lot of times the people from our past ain't on what we own. And so we start to feel lonely. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, yeah. And I was kind of holding off. I remember when I started YouTube and I was doing my videos, it was a whole bunch of people asking, where's the Discord? Where's the Discord? And I was just kind of like, man, I'm just trading. But Shali was like, yo, you got to do that. You got to do that. You know what I'm saying? And I was like, all right, yo. And then boom. You know, it just started happening. And we've been growing fast. We got like 160 members in 2 months. We just getting started. You know what I'm saying? Shali gets it in the Discord. I'm wondering when she'll start calling plays. Yo, Shali a beast. She had one red day last month, and it was only $35. I don't even think y'all understand how powerful that is. Like, for real. I'm telling you. If she don't see her setup, she's not taking the trade. Straight up. She is a monster. She is a monster. I be in the living room right here. She be in the room. We be doing our thing. She get in her play. If I text her and I don't get a response, I know she cooking. And out of nowhere, she'll send me a screenshot. How much money she made. I'll be like, ugh, you just nasty with it. You know what I'm saying? That's how it be. But I always say, the journey is the reward, y'all. The journey is the reward. That's what this is about. That's what this is about. You know what I'm saying? So I appreciate everybody for being on for so long. One last person, like this video. All right. Get this video to 50 likes. And we're going to hop off. All right. We're going to hop off. I hope that y'all got value from this. If you got to rewatch this, please do. Understand what I'm saying. Understand what I'm saying. Then you said you motivated me to create more YouTube videos. Listen, I'm a firm believer of volume. Volume. If you look at, I want you to go look at my YouTube videos. I put out almost 200 videos already. And now it's only been what? 10 months. No, like 8 to 9 months. Like we got, I'm a beast with this content. Straight up. One thing I know is how to put out content. All right. But I'm gonna always say this, y'all. Get out of your head and go get into this world. Because your head is a dangerous place to live, all right? And also remember, the more you study, the less you worry. All right? I'm gonna holler at y'all tomorrow. Peace.